The window is a giant frame of glass that locks the world away and leaves us out. There the sea explodes, blue and steadfast, striking the coast of the fierce peninsula. But here on this bed of white sheets, where the morning light comes to find us, only your hands, your legs, your curves matter, and this wild pulse that refuses to stop. Half-naked bodies upon the mattress, entwined, sweating without asking permission. We are the shore and the wave in full collision, absolute masters of this paradise. Outside, the horizon is lost in the distance. The salt water embraces the rock with force. In here our own reflections clash, in a battle that pleasure compels. Press your chest to mine, breathe into my mouth, while the sun draws your perfect silhouette. This thirst to have you, my love, provokes me a blessed urgency, wild and direct. Let the sea remain there, a silent witness to how we burn without flames or fire, while the world outside becomes naked and we sink together into this sweet game. There is no yesterday, no tomorrow, only this moment. The immensity